Welcome to LIDA day number 17. And today is a time to take a look in the mirror and a critical look at how your videos and your shows are doing. Isn't it true that we all are critical about how we look, how we present ourselves on video? And most of the time we don't want to take a look at ourselves on video. But take a look now, and I hope you are watching the videos that you are producing and take notes what you see, and also ask your friend. Your friend can be the best critic of how your videos are coming across. And some of the things that I hear about myself, that I should be more warmer, I should speak with more, that I project more rather than introvert. So there are many ways that you can see, and those are things that you can develop during the course of the time. But it's always good to take a critical look how you're coming across on video. Whether are you talking just to the lens, or you're looking somewhere else when you're talking, or are you projecting and you're talking to your friend here behind the lens, or how you are projecting. And your delivery. How is your delivery? Do you speak too fast or too slow? So many things that you need to consider. Whether you get to the point in your stories, many things. So these are just some ideas for you to consider, but I think most importantly is to take notes of when you watch your videos and try to improve every time you do a new video. So that's the tip for day 17. Good luck and see you tomorrow.